Went to Dollar Tree and what? They had $1 Blu-rays. Come on, you're pulling my chain. No, seriously. So I kind of bought this. Sorry, Miss Dreyfus. I know you're rich and all that, but you are an attractive woman. He's dead. I liked him as an actor. If he didn't, like, put on the pounds, you probably still would be alive. Who am I talking about? James. Oh well. I bought this just for him. It said it's a beautiful movie. I hope it's not a chick flick. Enough said. I like the title. Come on, just look at the camera. All right, and there it is. Let's see. I want to light it up just right. Dollar store. Stop. You're pulling my chain. I bought it because he's dead, and I would have liked to have seen him around. He was a good actor. He was funny.